Hi and welcome to the third tutorial. What we're going to do now is create a gallery page and insert a gallery, which opens up in a nice lightbox effect. The first thing we do is create the page, the gallery page, to put the gallery into. So click on Pages and then Add New. Enter in the title of the page. And now we insert the images. And on the top of the WYSIWYG button bar, you'll see a rectangle against Upload Insert. Just click on that and it opens up a nice selection box. Click on Select Files and we now go to where your images are on your local desktop. It could be anywhere on your computer, so I'll go to where mine are. And to select more than one image, click on the one, hold down the Shift key and then click the last one and then upload all together. And you'll see that WordPress will upload all the images. And what happens now is, because WordPress realizes that you're uploading more than one image, when you click on Save All Changes, it then moves on to the gallery settings. So here's our images and here's the gallery settings. We'll leave everything to default, but we'll change this to 3 columns instead of 4, and we'll insert the gallery. And that's been inserted. And before we update, at the bottom as before, uncheck allow comments and trackbacks. This is a business site, not a blog, and click Publish. And that's it. If we go to the front end and press Ctrl F5, we'll now see that gallery appears on the menu, and when we click on gallery we can see that these are there. What we previously did was install a lightbox effect, and what that does is when you click on the image it shows up in a lovely box and fades the background image. The next thing that we can do is we need to give these images some descriptions. It's important for search engine optimization, but also accessibility for blind people. So we go back to the content management system and we'll scroll to the top and click on Media, where all the files are kept. These are the images we've uploaded, and let's do the old man. So we click on Edit. And what we need to do really is change the title. I'll put image of man's face. Alternate text is for accessibility reasons. It allows blind people to have a quick descriptive reason of what the image is. So what we put in here is image of old man smiling. Caption is the text that appears underneath the image, and the description is a more in-depth or a more detailed description of the image. This is used for, again, blind users who may be using braille readers or screen readers, and it then gives them a much more detailed description of the image itself. So we could put in here something like old man smiling, wearing glasses. We could put more information if we wanted to. We could mention the fact that the top of his head is, and the side of his head is cut off in the frame. So basically you can put as much textual information in there as you want. The important thing to remember is when you put descriptive content against an image, it's all indexed by Google. So it's a good way of making sure your content is there and indexed for Google. So it can help to get your site better indexed within the Google ranking system. Once you've done that, you've done the title, alternate text, caption, and description. You can then update the media file. And that's just been updated. So hopefully when we go back to the gallery and we press Ctrl F5, you can now see that the image is there, the image text rather, and the image has been updated. So you won't see any of it really. It's what the search engines see, and that's how quickly it is, how quickly and very easily it is to insert a gallery in WordPress.